Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn Well. Today we will start with Introduction to Quadratic Equations. Let me first introduce you to the standard form of quadratic equations, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. A written with x square must not be equal to 0. In this equation, a, b and c are constants and x is a variable. Now, what are constants? Constants are the values which remain unchanged. For example, 2, 100, 13, 19 and all other numbers, positive or negative, all are constants. Variables. Let us now understand what are variables. Variables are the values which keep on changing. Means variables have different values in different questions. So x can have different values for different quadratic equations. Example of quadratic equation given here is 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. I have already marked 2 as A, 3 as B and 1 as C. When you will compare this given example of quadratic equation with the standard form of quadratic equation, you will easily understand that A is equal to 2 here, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 1. Now, one easy method to recognize A, B and C in a quadratic equation is to know that A is coefficient of x square, B is coefficient of x and C is independent of x. Here in the given example, 2 is written with x square, so 2 is coefficient of x square. So A is 2. 3 is written with x, so 3 is coefficient of x. So B is 3. Now, independent of x. What is independent of x? Independent of x means a value with which no x is written. Means there is no x with it. In this equation, 1 is the value which does not have any x with it. So C is equal to 1 because C is independent of x and here 1 is independent of x. Another important thing to understand is that in a quadratic equation, maximum power of variable must be 2. Here in the standard form also, the maximum power of x is 2. X is a variable here and its maximum power is 2. So it is a quadratic equation. So in a quadratic equation, maximum power of variable must be 2. If it is not 2, then the equation is not a quadratic equation. If the power is less than 2, means if it is 1, suppose, the equation will become a linear equation, and if it is more than 2, suppose it becomes 3, then the equation will become a cubic equation. It will not remain a quadratic equation. That's it about the introduction of quadratic equations. Thank you for watching this video. For more such videos, you can subscribe my channel Learn Well. I will be back to you with more educational videos.